gamit ang aton mikropono. So ginapasalamatan ginaton kay wala sa pagduwa-duwa nagsuporta si Governor Toto Defensor when we broached the idea sa iya sa una naton pala nga tuig. A year ago, gamay lang kita, and a year later, look at us. Ano na kita kadamo subong? Palagpakin ninyo inyong kaugalingon. Ari diri ang mga teenager, ang mga Gen Z, Millennials, Gen X, Boomers, Young Ones, ONCE, Young Ones, ONES. All walks of life ari diri subong to pledge our commitment. Salamat gid sa inyo tanan-tanan. Kay Gov Tuto, you are indeed an epitome sang mga Ilonggo nga toto. What is si Toto to Ilonggos? Toto is like a big brother. Toto is a loyal friend. Is a trusted confidant. Amoy na ang Toto sa aton. And we thank our Toto for helping us revive this advocacy para sa Batiano River. Palagpakan natin si Gov. Today, we stand together at the forefront of crucial movement, cleaning up our beloved Batiano River and restoring its former glory. As a radio station, we are committed to using our platform to raise awareness, promote action, and inspire change. We will amplify the voices of our community, share stories of progress, and celebrate every small victory along the way. Together, let us make a pledge to protect our environment, preserve our natural heritage, and ensure a healthier, more sustainable future for generations to come. Let us join hands, make some noise, and create a ripple effect that will resonate far beyond our riverbanks. And together we say, loves ko si Mother Earth. Let us make this earth a better place to live in. And let us join the race to make this earth a better place. Salamat gid kag maayong aga sa inyo tanan.